Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks much on continuously watching my videos and subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. So as we all know, we are now into new series of marketing through pandemic, and so far we released 7 videos. Each one is different, unique, and which is primarily focusing on gauging the behavior of consumer, the marketing aspects through pandemic. So in this line today we talk about something which is now started happening because the pandemic is being slowly easing and people are coming out of house and longing to go to place where they've been there before the pandemic. So it's about gauging the mall shopping behavior of consumers through pandemic. So it's happening. So we all know like the pandemic is slowly easing and most of the countries are going for vaccination and people are coming out of the house. So far we've been coached and now we are coming out of house and going to different places, especially the mall. So the mall is a place not only for a shopping, it's also for socialization and it is a place for a family. So the mall has everything for each member of the family, which is really they are looking to go for it because they've been gauged in the house for all these days because of pandemic. It's easing out, so people are coming out and looking to go to place. The first place they want to go is the malls. So in this line, we will see like how the behavior of consumer is happening and what are the aspects which are influencing the mall shopping behavior of consumers. So it is a part of our research we are doing. It's a kind of ongoing research, and we published one paper which is accepted for publication in Indian journal. So we focus on 3 aspects here which influence the mall shopping behavior of consumer here. The number one is the internal factor. So internal means the factors which could be controlled by the company. Mostly the marketing mix variables like the product variables, the price variables, the promotion, and the previous variables. So this how these 4 variables influence the consumer. Also the brand of the particular mall, the theme of the mall, the specialty mall. So we have a different types of malls, especially we're talking about. So we have a city-based malls. So each city has different malls. We have city-based malls. Then we have a chain of malls belong to the one particular group. Then we have the 1 or 2 groups chain of malls we can see that. Then we have the theme-based malls. So there are some malls here actually which are theme-based, different themes, and the specialty malls. So the malls which primarily focusing on having stores which are the specialty in nature, which are focusing on the specific aspects. Then the mall with specialty attractions. It's not only the shopping malls, but they also have special attractions where consumers go there to spend their time. So the whole idea is mall. We all know it's a place for shopper time. So shopping plus entertainment for the entire family. Where the malls have kids play area and food court, where a lot of choices available. Even nowadays, malls have a lot of fine dining restaurants have come. Big brands they started taking place in the malls. So the people are now going to those fine dining restaurants, slowly moving away from the food court, primarily focusing on giving the casual dining experience and the shopping. So you can go for a casual shopping, you can go for a window shopping, and you can go for a serious shopping. So nowadays the malls are catering to it because they are looking to generate more footfalls and more revenues and profits. So we all know that the mall is not only a place for entertainment; it's also for shopping. So otherwise, the stores inside, if they don't make money, so they cannot actually survive, they cannot pay anything. So the whole concept of mall, a shopping mall or whatever the mall, will not exist. So it has to be a kind of a balanced approach, and people primarily go for a shopping. So it is depends on the individual consumer, their behavior. Especially some of people they go for primarily go for a shopping and they focus on some entertainment and food. Some of them primarily go for entertainment, food, and they do a casual shopping. So we classify consumers into like 2, 3 categories here: the casual, the mall goers, with the casual shopping in their agenda, like 30% of shopping and 70% for food and entertainment, food and dining and entertainment. And if you look at the serious shoppers, some of them who go for 70% of shopping and 30% for entertainment, and the food, and some of them actually the very serious, you can say that the goal-oriented shoppers, they primarily go for 100% shopping in the malls and during the food and entertainment. But if you look at the mall, normally receive almost 60% of the consumers, those who are in the category of the serious shopping and the casual shopping, and maybe like 20% of the consumers focus on the very serious shopping or goal-oriented shopping, go for 100%. So that's why the other aspects of mall also satisfy, like food, dining, experience, and also the entertainment aspect. So that is why nowadays the malls also have more the multiplexes like cinemas and the play area for kids. Nowadays, even the indoor play area also for kids also come. It's not only the electronic play area, they also come up with the physical play areas for kids, like football, or squash, or some other activities. So this side of a situation, like mall is giving a kind of respite to the family members, the consumers, those who have reached all these days during pandemic, and now they are looking to go back to the malls. So we are looking at the three primary variables which are focusing to influence the aspects of mall shopping behavior. The number one, we saw the internal variables, which is mostly the market index variables, the product available in the particular market, and the pricing options from the stores in the particular malls, and the promotion aspects, which is a very important thing, which attracts more footfalls of consumers to the particular malls. Then we have a place, so the location, which is very, very important. So in this case, we want to dive in depth to understand the behavior of consumers. So we developed a new variable called the mall variables. So mall variables, the number one is the selection of malls. So where we say that there are different types of malls available, like city-based mall or chain of malls, then theme-based malls, then specialty malls, and the mall with special attractions. So how consumers select those malls based on the selection of malls. Then the other aspects, like the the location of malls, so the where the malls are located. So it's in residential area or outside of the city, because they need to travel sometime to go to those malls, or they are happy with that. And what is the frequency of visiting those malls? So it's like in a month, the weekly they go for the city-based malls, or maybe monthly once or twice they go for the specialty malls. So this is the very important aspect we need to understand. So what is the frequency of visit of consumers in those areas? The last one is we call the external or exogenous variables, which is primarily affecting the behavior of consumers, mostly the cultural aspects. So the cultural aspects, how it influences the like shopping of consumers. Then the societal aspects. So when they're in the societal community, so the non-shopping, going to malls is a kind of a gives a kind of an appreciation, pride movement for the consumers. Then the influence of the peer groups, like the friends, relatives. So most of them, like, they don't go alone, they go with their like the friends, if they're singles, and they go with the peer. If they are family members, they go with other family members, or the relatives. As a family, they go to malls. So it's a kind of the social event. Going to malls alone and going to mall with families is becoming a kind of a event. Nowadays, many the families, they go to a mall in the weekend. They have a dining with all the kids. The kids go to play. So those are the aspects which are happening. So the malls are now becoming as a kind of a place for a socialization, where people go, and it has the, the aspects which satisfy every member of the family, including male, female, and the kids. So those aspects. Okay. Okay.